Hello student and welcome to my next video. Before this we have learned estimating to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands by rounding off. Now today we will learn estimating outcomes of number situations. I have given the link of estimating to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands by rounding off in the description box. Please go through it. Now today let's start with our topic. Now how do we add number? The first question is, how do we add number? We add number by following the algorithm, that is systematically. We write the numbers taking care that the digits in the same places like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, etc. are in the same column. See, I have written the number below one another. Now when we add, we start with the ones columns. That is 6 plus 9, it is 15. 15 plus 0, it is again 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 carry on the next, that is on the tens place. Then we add the tens and we write the answer here. Now next 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Again I will write 7 here and carry on the next number. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 0 is again 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 carry on the thousand place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So this way we start from the one side and we go on adding. If it is necessary, we take the carryovers. There are many situations where we need to find answers more quickly. For example, when you go to the market, you find a variety of attractive things which you want to buy. You need to quickly decide that you can buy, which things you can buy. So you need to estimate the amount you need. It is the sum of the prices of things you want to buy. Now let's see another example. A trader is to receive money from two sources. The money he is to receive is rupees 13,569 from source A and rupees 26,785 from source B. He has to receive the sources from these two things, and in the evening he has to pay someone 37,000. So what he quickly does, he rounds off these numbers and quickly works out the rough answer, and he is happy with that he has enough money with him. He quickly rounds off the money, that is from source A he must get 13,000 and from source B he must get 26,000. So the addition is 39,000 and he has to pay someone in the evening 37,000. So he is happy to have enough money. So there are no rigid rules when you want to estimate the outcomes of numbers. The procedure depends on the degree of accuracy required and how quickly the estimate is needed. The most important thing is how sensible the guessed answer will be. Now let's see to estimate sum or difference. Now let's see how to estimate sum or difference. I have written one example here. Now let's find out its actual sum. When adding this, my actual answer is 23,276. Now let's estimate this sum. First, let's round off to the nearest tens. So 17,986 becomes 17,990. We have seen rounding off tens, hundreds and thousands in our previous video. please see the description box. I have sent the link in that description box. 5290 becomes 5290 and the answer is 23,280. Now let's round off to the nearest hundreds. So 17,986 becomes 18,000 and 5,290 becomes 5,300. So my answer is 23,300. And let's round off this number to the thousands. So 17,986 becomes 18,000 and 5,290 becomes 5,000. My answer is 23,000, which is the close to my actual sum. So this way we can do the addition. Now let's see the difference. I have written one example here. Let's find out the actual difference. So 5,673 subtracted 436, we get the answer 5,237. This is our actual difference. Now let's round off to the nearest tens and find out the answer. So here it becomes 5,670 minus 440. My answer is 5,230. Now let's round off to the nearest hundreds. We get 5,700 minus 400. We get 5,300. Now let's round off to the nearest thousands. It becomes 6,000 minus 0, which is 6,000. Now among these three, 5,300 is the better and meaningful answer, which is nearest to the our actual difference. So this is about the difference. Okay, now let's see to estimate the product. Here I have written some example. Let's see the actual product. After multiplying, I got the answer 11,466. Now let's round up these two numbers nearest to the tens. We got the answer 10,800, which is nearest to our estimated answer, but it is not quick enough. So let's round up this number to the nearest 100. We got the answer 20,000, but it is very large than our actual answer. See, my actual answer is 11,466, and when I round off these numbers to 100, I got the answer 20,000, which is not very close. So now what to do? Now the next method is you round up these numbers to its suitable place. Now what I have done, I have rounded up 182 to nearest hundreds, which is 200, and 63 to the nearest tens, which is 60. So I got the answer 12,000. It is as well as good estimate to the product and quick also. So I told you that estimating method is to find out the quick answers. So you can generally round up the number to its greatest value. Now the general rule that we can make is therefore round off each factor to the greatest place, then multiply the round off factors. Thus, in the above example, we round up 63 to the tens and 182 to the hundreds. So this is about the estimating. Now an important use of estimating is to find out the answer very quickly and check your answers. You can easily check your answers whether it is correct or not. So thank you students for watching this video. In the next video we will solve the exercise 1.3 based on your NCERT syllabus standard 6. Thank you.